What's up guys, it's Kyra, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to easily achieve a full glam look using 6 easy steps. And this tutorial is in collaboration with Kroger. Now, if you guys don't know, Kroger and also their Kroger family of stores offers a wide array of affordable brands. They offer CoverGirl, Maybelline, Wet n Wild, and so much more. And they are the destination for all of your affordable makeup needs. I'm gonna show you guys a few key steps to help take this easy base right here and take it up a couple notches. I'm going to take the CoverGirl liquid liner in the shade 325. It's just a plain black liquid liner, and I love the point on this because it's very, very skinny and precise. And just apply this along my upper lash line. Super simple and easy. I just applied it to my top lash line and then also made a really slight wing there. And a classic wing is always the perfect go-to look. And do the other side. And you see how easy this point is? It's so beginner friendly. I'm going to also take a simple pair of lashes that I like, just going to add some more volume and some more va-va-voom to the eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Duo Brush On Adhesive, and this is the clear one. And it's apply this to my falsies, and then of course wait for it to dry, and then pop it on my lashes. Okay, and while that dries, I'm going to take a little bit of the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and just apply this very, very lightly to the brows. One of my favorite tips and tricks is to add a little bit of mascara to my brows to create natural brow strokes, and it really helps my natural hairs to really pop. I'm going to go ahead and just blot off my original lip concoction. And then of course, just go ahead and add on a brown liner of your choice. And then for lips, I'm gonna just go with a simple nude, but you can do a red, a deep burgundy, plum shade, anything you like. I'm gonna go ahead and take the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nudist. I have fallen in love with this. The consistency is amazing and it applies so well. And then take your finger and blend it all in. Okay, adding on my falsies. And you see how the glue, if you just apply the glue and let it sit there for a few minutes, it pops on so easily. Gonna apply a little bit more mascara. This is the L'Oreal Luminous Last Paradise, and apply it to my top and my bottoms. And then to make my eyes pop a little bit more, I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail Eyeliner in the shade White, and just apply this to my lower waterline. Alright guys, so that is it for my short tutorial and demo using a few short steps in collaboration with Kroger. Again, Kroger is an amazing store for all of your affordable makeup needs, and I highly recommend that you guys go and check them out. So if you're looking for some affordable makeup, go ahead and check out Kroger or the Kroger family of stores. So that is it for my tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys!